In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to permanently delete your Facebook account. It's simple and easy. Make sure you watch this video to the end and follow the step carefully. Welcome to my channel. Let's dive in. Open the Facebook app and tap the three-dot menu. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and tap on Account Center. Scroll down and tap on Manage Account. Tap on Manage again. Tap on Deletion or Deactivation. Then put it on Delete Account and click Continue. Then you can choose any option available and click Continue. Click Continue and scroll down and click Continue. Enter your password and click Continue. Once you've done that, and click Delete Account. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching. I love to see you in my next video.